And now up next, we're getting some breaking updates from the national capital. First Omicron case detected in Delhi. The patient had been admitted to the LNJP hospital and had returned from Tanzania. Till now, 17 people who tested positive for COVID have been admitted to the hospital, and with this, the total number of Omicron variant cases in the country reaches 5. Remember, the first 2 cases had come in from Karnataka and then to Gujarat, and last night from Maharashtra as well. Another case that had been detected for Omicron variant that had tested positive, and now the 5th case from Delhi that has tested positive for the Omicron variant. For more details on this, let me go across to Sumi, but before we do that, let's listen in to some of the authorities on this particular Omicron variant case.
17 जो पॉजिटिव हैं उसमें जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग कराई गई, तो अभी तक 12 लोगों की जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग की हो चुकी है और एक उसमें से जो है ओमिक्रॉन का पेशेंट लगता है कि जो तंजानिया से आया है, तो उसके प्रीलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट के अंदर वो पॉजिटिव हैं ओमिक्रॉन से। 17 जो पॉजिटिव हैं उसमें जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग कराई गई, तो अभी तक 12 लोगों की जीनोम सीक्वेंसिंग की हो चुकी है और एक उसमें से जो है ओमिक्रॉन का पेशेंट लगता है कि जो तंजानिया से आया है, तो उसके प्रीलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट के अंदर वो पॉजिटिव हैं ओमिक्रॉन से।
And now reports coming in of the 5th case of the Omicron variant for COVID-19 that has tested positive in Delhi. The first 4 cases coming in from Karnataka, Gujarat and Maharashtra, now in Delhi as well. Let me go across to my colleague Sumi, who's been tracking details of the story. Sumi, we have seen how the Omicron variant scare had gripped the country, and there were several measures in fact that had also been taken, and now the 5th case of the Omicron variant that has tested positive in Delhi. What are the authorities telling you? Will there be any contact tracing? Will there be aggressive testing that will be taken up by the authorities now?
Yes, absolutely. The first case of the national capital has been reported this morning, just a short while back. And in fact, 15 people had flew from at-risk countries in the national capital, and 12 of them, the samples of 12 of them had been given for genome sequencing, and 1 sample has returned positive for the Omicron variant. What we know so far is that the contact tracing of that particular passenger will be done, and who he came in contact in the last 15 days, his travel history, everything now will be monitored and properly scanned by the authorities. And once that is done, he is admitted at the LNJP hospital. We will also actually speak to the medical director, Suresh Kumar. But what we know so far is that the contact tracing is certainly one of the steps that the authorities will have to take. And in fact, this is the 5th case in the country of Omicron. First 4 cases were reported from different parts of the country, including Gujarat and Maharashtra. But yes, this is the 5th case that has been reported in the national capital, and this is the first for the national capital. And there have been several steps that have been taken in the national capital as well. There has been 1 dedicated hospital for COVID-19 where 50 beds are available. 10 oxygenated beds are also available there. And in fact, if the hospital, LNJP hospital, gets overwhelmed, 500 bed facility, which has been readied by the same hospital right outside Ramlila Maidan, has also been dedicated for the COVID-19 treatment. And apart from that, 20 dedicated counters have also been given at the airport, so that passengers traveling from at-risk countries can go through proper screening there. And RT-PCR tests of each passenger is being done very thoroughly, and in fact these samples are also being sent for the genome sequencing. All of the samples are being given for genome sequencing. What the experts are telling us that the symptoms of the Omicron variant is quite mild in nature so far, but the transmissibility is certainly 5 times worse than the Delta variant, which is why now the isolation will be very, very stern. And in fact, these patients will be treated with the COVID-19 treatment. But certainly with Omicron, one of the prominent symptom is the fatigue. And that symptom will certainly be taken care of by the authorities. We will certainly get to know more on the Omicron variant and the symptoms that this particular patient is facing once Dr. Suresh Kumar will be sitting with us to share more details on that.
Well, yes, Sumi, as you're telling us that the authorities have taken all the steps in Delhi as well to make sure that they also, trace the passengers that are coming in from at-risk countries, and also the 3 T's, that is of traceability and testing and treatment, is something that the authorities will also be taking up. Sumi, we'll keep coming back to you. For the moment, thank you.